Hi, let's talk about sex. Gay sex. Sadly, gay and bi men carry the greatest burden of HIV. More than half living with HIV in the US are gay and bi men, although they make up only less than 5% of the US population. This means that we really need to continue our HIV prevention efforts for them. Good news is now we have medical tools to ease the burden of HIV. One, as you see on figure 1, PrEP prevents HIV among those who are HIV negative. And 2, as you see on figure 2, people with HIV who regularly take treatment medication and maintain an undetectable viral load or so little virus in their blood that standard tests don't detect them can transmit HIV. This is popularly known as the undetectable equals untransmittable, or the U equals U message. Some people still don't believe in this message because of HIV stigma, but the science is clear about it. Yet besides this obvious benefit of stopping HIV transmission, it is very important to see if these medical tools can also improve the experience of sex for gay and bi men, so that those who use PrEP or believe in the U equals U message have more comfort and pleasure in sex, and less in anxiety too. In theory, believing in the U equals U message would impact the experience of sex much like PrEP was taught so in the previous research, by decreasing sexual anxiety and increasing sexual esteem and pleasure. So, more of the good stuff. I'm curious to find if using PrEP and believing in the U equals U message could improve sex separately and even more so together, as you see on figure 3. One more thing. Previous research hasn't looked at indirect ways that using PrEP or believing in the U equals U message could improve sex. A logical link between these could be worrying about getting HIV. So I'm also curious to find if using PrEP or believing in the U equals U message can indirectly improve sex by making people less worried about getting HIV, as you see on figure 4. To answer these questions, I will do a study using a US sample of HIV negative gay men surveyed on online dating apps to test if these HIV medical tools could improve the experience of sex so we can have better sex. And people need that.